Hello friends, hello everyone who right now watching this video. My name is Team Wider, and today you will gonna discover how you can make money from home exactly in this pandemic which we have right now. And basically you can make, guys, from $100 till $200 to $150 per month, guys. Yes, it's not that too much money, but for that people who searching for the job, for that people who searching for the making money online, so you can do that because it's really simple method. It's actually the job, and this is the worldwide, because I know many people from India, many people from Germany, many people from United States of America, they searching for the some ways how to make money online today, and basically without investment. So guys, this is the way without investment. It's worldwide, and any person who's searching for the way how to make money from home, they can do that. They can just go on this website and they can start to work. So what this website about, guys, what it's all about. So this website is called Lion Bridge, guys, and in the Lion Bridge you can find different kind of the ways how you can work, guys, and how to join this website. It's really simple. So first of all, you must to go to the www.lionbridge.com, and right here you will gonna find that join our team, guys. In the top right, you can see at the top right corner, you can see the button join our team. So you just click on this button and it will gonna redirect us to the job. And as I said, we can just find different kind of the jobs. So you can see right here is corporate associates, you can see here is rotator and annotators and testers. You can just test some application. You can also make some translations for the different kind of the people who required this, guys. You know, many different kind of the jobs, and all you have to do, just click any of this button. You just need to click learn more, and right here you can choose. And as I told you, why I like it, guys, why I like it, because you really can just you just can start to make the money online, guys. You just can start to make the money online basically from home, from anywhere. And this is really exciting because you can see that right here, if we're gonna click on the link on this button, we have all jobs, so you all jobs, so it will gonna redirect us to the all the jobs which we have right here on this website, on the Lion Bridge. And like I told you, why really excited, because the people from China, they can work right here, the people from France, the people from India. I know my channel, many people from India is watching, guys, and it's exactly for you, because you know, so many people I know right now is struggling in India. They don't know what to do, they don't know which website to join, and lionbridge.com, guys, is the option for you right now. I'm telling you, it's gonna be an option. So we're right now just gonna click on this job, guys, and we're gonna check it what we must do to start to make the money online for India with the Lion Bridge, guys. So it's really simple way. Yeah, you can see it's the Gujarati personalized internet assessor. So right here it's for India. You can just check it out, and what you have to do right here, so in this job you will be reviewing online researches. Yeah, you're just gonna do search result in order to improve their content and quality. You will be required to provide feedback and analysis on the content found in search engine result and provide ratings on the on all of this stuff, guys. So it's really simple way. I'm just telling you, guys, it's really simple way how to make money online. It's really simple job. All you just can see your requirement, what you have to do for this. You must be fluent in writing, I guess, in this in the name in the language of the India. I just not really sure how this call it. It's Gujarati, I guess. And also you must know English, but of course if you know it, so it's really great. Also you must be living in India 5 years. Also just you must to have your phone, you must to have Gmail account. So basically really simple requirements, and after that, when you have it, when you understand that you have it, you just need to click on the button apply now. So right here, guys, right here, it's really simple. It's really simple. You can just put all of your information about yourself. You just put your first name, your last name, your email, your username, your password, repeat your password, and create your account. And I'm just telling you, with this simple way, with this simple job, today you can make from $150, maybe $200, $250. It's not the way to get rich, right? It's not the way to get rich. It's not the way to make a lot of money online, but it's the one of the website where anyone who's searching for the ways how to make some money, they can just join. They can basically right now find a way for them how to survive, because right now in this situation for the many countries, people is searching for something, people is searching for the opportunity. And as I told you right here, so many countries, here's the Greece, here's the Germany, here's the Finland, here's the Denmark, here's the Czech Republic, Austria, Chile, guys, Argentina, France, Japan, guys, a lot of the countries right here. So you just basically need to go on this website, you need to check this out, you need to understand how it's work, and you need to plug in, because right here basically you can choose your country and you can choose that what you can do for the llcenergoprom, for the Lionbridge. So right here is the opportunity worldwide, and many people who right now is searching for the ways how to make money online, who's searching for the different kind of the websites where they can 100% earn money. Guys, my 100% recommendation for you to try Lionbridge, because for that people who really right now struggling, who cannot do any business, this is gonna be an option. And for sure, like I told you, you cannot make a lot of the money with the Lionbridge. So if you're really searching for the business, if you're searching for the more methods, if you're searching for the great opportunity how to make money with investments, so you every time can contact me by all the links in the description, because I every time provide for the people education, every time I'm showing them that they can make the money right now, guys, because I'm just telling you that a lot of the people, they gonna be excited when they just start to make the business online, because work, of course, it's perfect, but if you want to make money, of course, you must to start the business, you must to start to understand how all of these systems work, you must understand exactly in the details what you can do for the people, how you can help them, and how you can find solution for their problems. And if you can solve some solution of the problems which the people have, so you can make more money. But for today, if you're just simple beginner, if you are just find the way how to make money online as Lionbridge, all you have to do, just try it, guys, just try it today. Go to www.llcenergoprom, find all the opportunity, just choose your country, because as I told you, here's a lot of the countries, even you can see here is the Korea, here's the Thailand, Spain, guys, Ukraine, Austria, Finland, and you can just start to make the money with this. Absolutely, I'm confident on the 100% that people who are searching for the ways how to make money online, who are struggling, they must try something like this. Why? Because, guys, because it's really simple. You don't need basically invest the money right here. You can start absolutely without nothing. You can start with zero, and because this is the job, guys, this is basically the job, and many people right now who are not ready for the business, they can start the job. They can start the job with the Lionbridge. You can just go right here, as I said, you can view all jobs which we have right here, and you can start to make it. Because as you see, why I also like it Lionbridge, that you can work really flexibility, so you don't need to be in the one special place like in the United States. You know, many companies, they searching for the people who are gonna be just in the one place. So if we're gonna find some website just for the US, so you must to be in US. And right here, it's really great that you can be in the worldwide, you can be in the many countries, you can be in that country where you live, and you can join this website and you can make the money. Also, you just gonna be engaged with this opportunity, you just gonna understand all the details, and you're gonna receive the support. So it's really great. Also, you can see that here is a lot of the people who are really excited about the Lionbridge, because it works, guys, it really works, and it's really simple. So you can see that you must to finish the 5 easy steps, and you can make the great commissions with the llcenergoprom. So first of all, you must make the registration. It's really simple. After that, you must complete the skills evolution, guys, evolution. So it's really simple also. So after that, you're gonna receive the tasks, you will complete the task, and you're gonna get paid. So it's really easy 5 steps for everyone who right now struggling. It's really easy 5 steps for all that people who are searching for the opportunity. And this really easy 5 steps exactly for you, my friend, because I know you're struggling right now. If you're watching this video, you're struggling. If you're watching this video from India, if you're watching this video from Germany, if you're watching this video from China, it doesn't matter. If you're watching this video from the United States, so you are searching for the way how to make money online. My friend, I'm just telling you, if you are really right now on this website, if you really right now on my channel, if you're watching this video, so it will gonna help you. It will gonna help you on the 100% because you can start to make the simple steps and you can achieve the great success with this opportunity, because the job right now, it's really for the worldwide, and it doesn't matter, like I said, where you live, it doesn't matter what you do, it doesn't matter your age or profession. The line bridge just requires simple skills which you can provide for this company, which you can provide for these people, and you can just help these people to grow, and they will gonna help you, or they will gonna help you with the money. Basically, they will gonna pay you. So this all the idea, guys, really simple idea of the education, really simple idea of the making money online. So everything on the one platform. So if you're searching for the way how to make money online, if you're searching for the job, so try Line Bridge today. It's really simple, and it's gonna help you to make money right now from $100 till 200, 250 per month. Really easy. All you have to do, just work for this company. Guys, it was Team Wider. In the description gonna be all my links, in the description gonna be all my contacts. So if you have any question, just contact me right now, and I will gonna provide for you more opportunities. And of course, on my channel, we're gonna provide only videos about how to make money online, and you can just check it. You can every time be updated, so don't forget to click that bell to receive all the notification, and don't forget to subscribe. Wanna tell you, God bless. We're gonna see you in the next video. Be successful and be healthy all the time.